안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. This week I challenged myself to cook something delicious with what I normally have on hand, which is dumpling wrapper, cheese, and candy corn. It is called corn cheese mandu in Korean. Please watch this video to the end, like it, and subscribe to my channel. These are all the ingredients for this recipe. First, finely chop the onion, 양파, and the jalapeno pepper, gochu. I really like the little bit of the heat from the pepper, and the cheese covers up most of the spiciness, so I highly recommend you add the hot pepper. Add the mozzarella cheese, corn, 옥수수, chopped veggies, 다진 채소, mayonnaise, and sugar, 설탕 in a mixing bowl. Mix everything together. We also need these dumpling wrappers, mandu-pi. Next, place a dumpling wrapper on a plate and dip your finger in water to make it wet. Then apply the water around the edge of the dumpling skin because the water will help the dumpling wrapper stick together better. Take out 1 tablespoon of the corn mixture and put it on one side of the dumpling wrapper. Fold the dumpling wrapper in half to make a half moon shape, and then seal it with a fork by pressing down along the edge of the wrapper like this. The fork also gives the edge a pretty pattern. Use the same process to make the rest of the dumplings, then you will get about 20 dumplings. In a heated pan with a generous amount of cooking oil, 식용유, place some of the dumplings. Fry them for about 3 minutes on medium or until they become nicely golden brown, and then flip them over to fry for another 3 minutes. Be careful not to use too high of a temperature or fry them too long, or the cheese can come out from the dumplings and get burned. You can enjoy just as it is. The melted cheese and corn in crispy dumpling wrappers is just amazing. If you want to try something different with your dumpling wrappers, try this corn cheese mandu someday, and if you do, take some pictures and share it with me on Facebook or Instagram. I love to see your food pictures. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.